NGO गोवा फाउंडेशन आणि गोवा बचाव अभियानान पणजेच्या प्रस्तावित ODP 2021 चॅलेंज दिल्या। हो ODP करताना प्रक्रिया कायदो नेमांक धरून केल्ली ना म्हूण हायकोर्टात जनहित याचिका आयल्या। बुधवारा याचिका खंडपीठा मुखार आयली तेन्ना NGOंनी दावो केलो तो असो। पणजेच्या ODP 2021 लोकांचो विचार जाल्लो ना, कांय लोकांच्या हितापुरतो। गोवा TCP कायद्यांतल्यो तरतुदी कडेक दवरून प्लान केला। जमनी झोनिंग चुकीचे पद्दतीन दाखयला। सुधारित ODPक लागून पणजे रियल इस्टेट डेव्हलपर्सांचे बरीक वतली। पणजेची दायज वळख सोंपतली, शाराची वाट लागतली।
First of all, there were certain procedures that had to be followed which were not done. One, when the ODP was out for public suggestions, the rules and regulations which were prevalent, there were one set of rules that were prevalent which were changed later. So when you're formulating an ODP, people should be able to see what are the building rules and how does it impact the ODP. Secondly, there were certain zone changes that were done and new terminology was introduced which was not prevalent when the ODP was shown to the people. The next thing was that the conservation committee, the heritage committee, had to be consulted before the plan was finalized. That was not done. Secondly, the local body has to be consulted first. There is a participatory procedure which has to be followed. Even that was not done. So there are on several grounds this ODP did not follow procedure, and therefore we have challenged the ODP.
NGPDAचो अध्यक्ष आमदार मायकल लोबोक प्रतिवादी केला। हायकोर्टान NGPDA अध्यक्ष मायकल लोबो, चीफ टाउन प्लॅनर आणि बाकीच्या प्रतिवाद्यांक नोटीस काढून केस 12 मार्चाक दवरल्या। 7 मार्चा आदी एफिडेविटार जाप दिवंक सांगल्या। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार।